Hello, 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 this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Ta-da! I finished it. And this is how it looks. It took me 26 days to finish it. Non-stop. I did not do anything else, just worked on this. And this is how the sleeve turned out, 3/4 sleeves. It's a top down. I do have several tutorials on how to knit this, and I do have a tutorial on how to crochet this area. I did notice that when I'm knitting with this yarn, the knit piece, the knit fabric turns vertical for some reason. I don't know why. So I was not happy with the yarn, but when I blocked it, it looks nice. Yeah, it looks nice. Sometimes you can see the dividing body here. It's not equal, so sometimes it's pulling up, sometimes it's pulling down. And I did do short rows. And I think this stitch is, this kind of stitch, lacy stitch, is very popular lately because I've been noticing this on other channels. Well, not this particular one, but yeah, this kind of a pattern stitch. Not the similar one, but there are differences out there. So I think it's very popular. So I did do increases, as you can see, and it gave me this room here on my stomach and on my back area. So that's nice. It's comfortable. It's linen, so it feels cool. It doesn't give me the hots, right? I'll show it to you one more time. And I'm not wearing anything inside, so it's comfortable. And you can't see my body. It's not see-through. So that's nice. See? That room, that extra room doing the increases did a big job. So I hope you like this showcase. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends.